Hello everyone, this is Chris Strong over at RapidScan 3D. Today we're showing how to find deviation between two parts and how to create a color map within Artec Studio. So here I have two scans. These are from scans done from the Artec Micro. I have scan 1 here, which is kind of that pink look, and then we have scan 2, which is the green here. So the first thing I'm going to do is align these. I'm going to go into my alignment tool, try to get the part in the general area, and just hit align and apply. And once we're done with that, we can go ahead into our measurement tool. And right here we have a tool called Surface Distance Maps. I'm going to compare scan 1 to scan 2. And then just click Calculate. So currently we're working in Artec Studio 14 Professional, which you'll see on the top left. The measurement tool for distance maps is just one of many measurement tools that Artec Studio has. It's a really good software for after scanning. There's a lot of measurement tools that are not found in a lot of the other softwares. So from here, we're able to take a look at the two parts. You'll see here there's a couple variations in color. The green is within a certain tolerance that we've set here that shows, let's say a pass or fail, greens go. You'll notice on this little bar here, if it goes into yellow or red, this means that's too much material or the part's extruding out. Below here, where it goes into the light blue and dark blue, this means that the data is going to be negative. We can also increase this error scale to be a little bit more colorful, so you can kind of look at it a little bit more. So, and anytime you also put over the part, you can see deviations of where the part is kind of coming out of tolerance. So right here in this cylinder, we have it coming out of tolerance negative 0.094 millimeters. Along the side here, we can see another deviation here. Now it's going to negative 0.1. And then in this little crevice right here, materials at about 0.065 plus. So this is a good way to find just a quick deviation map if you wanted to find some measurements between two parts. Also, we can go ahead and if we find some annotations that we need to tell a mechanic or a person that's kind of be taking a look at the part that needs to make changes, we can actually create here, make some annotations. I'm just going to click next. And on the annotation, I can just click in an area and make a label. So here, this part had material loss of material. And I can just hit apply. And from here, I can actually come back to my maps and my annotations to show people where that lost material is if we need them to be able to take a look at it. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. Again, my name is Chris with RapidScan 3D, and we look forward to speaking with you. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.